Hi everyone, welcome to the Free Range Diva. I'm going to make a quick soup today that is really great for people who are busy or exhausted and want to get, a nourishing whole food meal in, but don't want to spend a lot of time doing it. A friend of mine turned me on to a website called Savory Spice, and they have mixes, pre-prepared mixes of spices that you can use with a few of your own ingredients to turn into something really special. This is the Thai coconut curry soup, a favorite that I often order when I go out for Thai food. But you can make it with this, you can make it using just ingredients that you have in your pantry, and that's what I'm going to do today. I'm starting with this soup mix, and what's really nice about it, I'll show you. So on the package, it tells you how spicy the dish is, and it also gives you a shopping list of the things that you need. So here you'll need chicken broth, chicken, and coconut milk. And those are the only ingredients that you have to get in order to put this together. So I have in front of me, I've got my broth right here. This is bone broth. I've got coconut milk here. I've got 2 chicken thighs, which is exactly what the recipe on the bag calls for. And the recipe on this little package is on the back, along with pictures of the dishes that you can make from it. And then as an extra, I wanted to add another vegetable. So I decided to put in carrots. So that's what I have here. I have 1 carrot that's been sliced. And then for garnishing, a lime and scallions. So I should probably tell you what's in here. The spices include Cambodian lemongrass curry. There's Thai green chilies, shiitake mushrooms, black pepper, lime leaves. I think there was another kind of chili in here too. I think there's cumin, shallots, garlic, cilantro, lemongrass, bell pepper. So it's got a ton of, like very fragrant Thai type spices in it. So let's just get this thing started. So the recipe had me put the soup mix and the broth, which I also mixed with water, into this pan and bring it up to a simmer. And now it's time to add the chicken. So let's see if I can slide this chicken in. You know what? I have a better idea. So I don't splash it everywhere. I'll just put it in there. Ooh! There we go. And in that goes. And then I'm also going to dump in the carrots. Stop steaming! There we go. And we'll put those in too. Then I'm going to cover this and cook it on, let's see, what does it say? Medium-low heat, cover and cook for 20 to 30 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do. Cover this up. The steam, it's already on a medium-low heat, so I'll just let that go for 30 minutes. And while this is cooking, I'm just going to wash up these dishes. So after 20 minutes, I took the chicken out, and it was so tender, I literally just pulled it apart into bite-sized pieces, added it back in. I don't want to get too close because the lens will get all fogged up. So there's the chickens back in, and the last thing that goes in is the coconut milk, and it'll be time to eat. So we'll just get that in. Well, as you can see, it's beautiful. Look at all those vegetables and the chicken and the greenery and the carrots. But let's just see how it tastes, because that's the most important part, right? Okay, it's definitely got a kick. but it's really good. If I was going to do anything, I'd probably add just a wee bit of salt. But otherwise, let's taste some of the chicken. Perfectly cooked. A comforting, nutritious dinner in 30 minutes. Thanks guys for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet, because I would love to have you. And until I see you again in my next video, I'm wishing you a wonderful day, a wonderful week. Take good care of yourselves, and I'll talk to you again very, very soon. Bye. Woo, got a little bit of a kick there.